Do you throw away the stems and leaves of your beets away? After watching this video, you never will again. These are chopped up and added to onions and spices, together with coconut, beet cubes, and coriander. Hi everyone, welcome back to Cravings and Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beetroot bhaji, also known as Chukander ka Sabji. This is made out of beetroot, but not the actual beetroot. It's going to be made out of the stems and the leaves. Most people think that you can just throw this away, but it makes for an amazing vegetable. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. We always cook the beetroot, but today I'm also going to use the stems and the leaves. In my wok, I'm going to heat a 1/4 cup of oil, followed by 1 cup of finely diced onions. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, and a 1/4 cup of finely chopped garlic. Now for the powdered spices. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Now I'm going to add all of the stems and the leaves that I finely chopped. This roughly yields about 3 cups. Add salt to taste and mix it in. I'm also going to add a half cup of grated coconut. My coconut was previously frozen. Mix this in. The stems and the leaves do not take a long time to cook. Usually about 5 minutes should be enough, and you can add a touch of water if required. This is totally optional, but I'm also going to add in half a cup of cooked beetroot cubes. You can also grate the beetroot if you wish. I cooked my beetroot in my Instant Pot. I'm going to leave that video at the end of this video as well as in the description. This vegetable side dish, or main if you're vegetarian, cooks up really quickly and is super tasty. Enjoy! Thank you so much for joining me in Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for beetroot bhaji. I really love to bring home some beetroot and then save the stems and the leaves to make this delicious dish. If you love the recipe, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. I really love hearing from you. And also share the video with your family and friends so they can enjoy all of my recipes as well. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.